The extreme important parts are already covered in the previous videos. And in this video, we are configuring a product. Let me first visit our website, dedicatedcore.com. For the demonstration purpose, we will configure a USA VPS. Let's say USA eXport. You can repeat this process for other configurations. First, go to System Settings, enter Product. As I am configuring USA VPS, let me first create a group for this. Here, as per your template, you can able to choose and save changes. Click on back. Our group has been created. Now I will configure a very first product. Click on servers or VPS. Product group USA. Here we use a name USA EX4. You can change the name USA Iron 4. This is illustration name. You can able to do as per your business strategy. Module dedicated core. Unhide it and click on continue. Here fill the information. You can modify as per your requirements. You can also modify that because this is your representation towards your customer. Just scroll down. Here you don't require a domain name, so simply untick. If you are applying a tax on this, click on this. Featured, hired, retired. So these things is totally depend on you. Next, go to the pricing. Click on recurring and set up your pricing. For the pricing setup, we have already created a video guide, which is VPS reseller profit. Second, in this video series, at the last, we also has created a second video series, pricing strategy for a successful game. For demonstration purpose, I will enter here a illusionary pricing. Let's say our pricing is 16.99. Please make sure that first click on buy now. And from here, check the original prices. 16.99, 50.97. So accordingly, I will set here my pricing. 21. 63. 126. 252. So I have added my margin. Scroll down. You don't have to change any settings from the below. And here not required to do any changes in the below settings. Next, go to the module setting. Here you have to be very careful. While choosing a product, choose exact product which you configured here. In this case, I configured USA VPS eX4. So I will check here USA VPS eX4. Linux VPS USA eX4. And from this setting, simply leave it to do not automatically set up this product and click on save changes. In this video, we have not covered one part, that is OS list, which we are going to cover in the next video. And one more thing, if you go on, click on links, you can able to see all the links which are needed for this product. Let me copy this group and you can see that our product has been configured here. Here OS option is not showing. In next video, we will cover the OS option. And then after that, we will move further.